guys, welcome back to another video with football cards. Number 2 opening, and we've not got the same pack. This is previously pack opening. We got this pack. Okay, so let's see. I got these in my other video. So let's try and see what we get in this new pack. Looks really exciting. This is a new one. It's not the same. I think I'll collect these ones instead. I just see something good. Seen a guy with 5 stars, man. Seriously. Can't wait. Horse. Subway! This is the best pack of my life. Did I just get a guy that said Subway Eat Fresh? I'm sure he did. How many cards is there in this pack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards. That is rad. Man, there's only 8 cards in me, but that's cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 actually. Man, it's 9 cards. One of them says Subway. Look, where's the Subway guy? It says Subway, and I've got 2 goalkeepers. Look at this, man. Subway. What the heck? This is so weird. 2 guys that say Subway and a shiny Ross Jennings and Greg Pope. This is the most incredible pack of my life. I cannot believe it. I could not believe it. This is an amazing pack, even though I never got someone as good as Ronaldo. But I got amazing cards. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Smash that like button.